What is up, guys? RedPandaMining here, back with another video. Guys, to start off, I just wanted to say to Brandon Coin, thanks so much for the collab last night, man. If you guys haven't checked him out, go to his channel, Brandon Coin, and check out the video, Dago Coin, how to get millions of coins. We did a little collab together, so you guys should check him out. Alright, so on to the news. I'm going to talk about Nvidia. Nvidia says Q4 crypto miner demand was as weak as expected. Well, obviously, because look at this. Weak as expected. Yeah, well, not a lot of people are going to be getting into the cryptocurrency scene right now. But that's okay. All right, on to the article. Nvidia had more disappointing news for investors Monday, but for once, the cryptocurrency mining slump was not directly to blame. In updated guidance released Monday, the graphics card manufacturer warned it now expects to report only $2.2 billion of revenue for its fiscal 2019 fourth quarter, which ends January 31st, down from a previous estimate of $2.7 billion. I mean, $500 million down? Come on, that's not that much. Come on. I guess for Nvidia it is. Alright, so the earlier forecast had already factored in a drop in demand for graphics processor units, GPUs, used in crypto mining. Nvidia said this and sales of the extra graphic cards have kept pace with those expectations. Exiting Q3, we estimated channel inventory would be largely depleted within 1 or 2 quarters, or between February and April, CEO Jensen Huang wrote in a letter to shareholders. Our view of that today remains unchanged. We estimate channel inventory would be largely depleted within 1 or 2 quarters. So I'm guessing that's because of they're talking about the GTX 10 series, like 1060s, 1070s, 1080s, 1080 Ti's. Like, you can still see those for sale on Amazon. So, yeah. The problem is that economic woes and uncertainty, particularly in China, hurt demand for GPUs among Nvidia's other customers, gamers, and data centers. Q4 was extraordinary, unusually turbulent, and disappointing quarter. Nvidia will report its full fourth quarter results on February 14th. Okay, so in about 16 days or so. The company has been warning of a substantial decline in revenue from cryptocurrency miners for some time now. Obviously, Nvidia anticipated bringing in $100 million during the second quarter of fiscal 2019, but only saw $18 million. Wow, that blows. Whereas we previously anticipated cryptocurrency to be meaningful for the year, we are now projecting no contributions going forward. Chief Financial Officer Colette Kress said during an earnings call last summer. Its competitor AMD had likewise cautioned that a drop in demand for GPUs by miners would materially impact its GPU business. Well, because really, like, GPUs now, there's so many on the used market right now. If you guys want to buy a GPU, yeah, of course their sales are going to dwindle because the used market is just loaded with Nvidia and AMD GPUs even. So I just want to show you guys the stock price of Nvidia. I'm not a stock guy, financial guy, guys. I'm just showing you that the high price, $281 USD back in September 28th, 2018. The stock dropped 50 or more percent all the way down December 21st, $129 USD. That is a massive drop. And you know what's funny is that this drop doesn't correlate with the Bitcoin price. You see here, our high time for Bitcoin was back in January, and where the high time of Nvidia was September 28th, right? So we go to September 28th. On our charts here for Bitcoin, it would be September 28th. So, yeah, see? Nothing. The market didn't crash here. But Bitcoin then started to go down in November 13th. Now it's leveling off here as of January 28th. And here's AMD stock as well. As you can see, AMD stock was starting pretty good, $2, $3 back in 2016. Went up to a high point of $32 and then crashed down to about 16, so about half. And that was not the same time as Nvidia. Oh no, it was the same time as Nvidia. So Nvidia and AMD crashed at the same time. But I think that was overall. The rest of the markets also crashed as well, the tech stocks and stuff. So it wasn't just AMD and Nvidia, a lot of others, Facebook, Tesla. But I think Tesla has jumped back up. What am I doing here? A year to date. So 1 year, if we go to September 28th, yeah, see it jumped, it crashed on the 28th, went back up for some reason, and then crashed back down in October. So it's not the same, but that month was a pretty turbulent time for Tesla. And okay, yeah. So really, for Nvidia to say that their Q4, that they're going to get lower revenue is obviously not a shocker. For us crypto miners, we know that they were going to lose money because we were the ones buying all the GPUs from Nvidia, and they were saying, obviously they had the info saying that we weren't really 100%. Obviously we're not 100% of the market, but we were a pretty huge dent in their last quarters for crypto mining and all their revenue, right? So yeah, so I mean, $500 million, if they're projecting another $500 million down, it's really not that big of a deal. Okay, next article, guys. Bitcoin may be down 82%, but Georgia is still placing a big crypto mining bet on the future of data. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently down 82% from its peak of 20,000 to 3,600 at the moment. However, Georgia is all in. So I'm assuming this is the state of Georgia in the US. In the crypto mining, despite this crash, as thousands of Georgians are selling old cars, even cows, to buy high-powered computers to mine Bitcoin. Wow. In its quest to become the digital leader, Bitfury, okay, I covered these guys a couple weeks ago. An American technology company has encouraged with a $10 million loan in 2015 and has been sold 45 acres for $1 to set up shop. Okay, wow. The government has also been selling energy at half the rates along with creating tax-free zones. Wow. That's pretty cool. Due to using 10% of its energy for virtual currency endeavor, the World Bank ranked it one of the most active crypto sites in the world. Georgia, eh? Let's go over there, guys. However, due to the crash in crypto prices, companies like Bitmain are closing offices and laying off staff, but Georgia is betting on its economy and on blockchain technology. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the economy's digital transformation is our highest priority. We're supporting this any way we can, said George Kabalia, the economy minister. All right. So the state of Georgia is still going all in on Bitcoin and buying more S9s or Bitfury products. Bitfury is a what is it here? They sell special ASICs for mining Bitcoin, SHA 256 algorithm. And I know that they have a number of sites in Canada here, and they're pretty big. I believe it's Hive 8 or so. Yeah, they have these huge style boxes, steel boxes, and they put all the miners in there, their ASICs in there. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, last article of the day. This is the one I really wanted to get to, is Bitcoin adoption. Coinbase pops up donut shop to bolster crypto usability. If this isn't adoption, guys, I don't know what is. Donuts, I mean, what could be better, right? Just kidding. All right. Coinbase looks to bolster Bitcoin adoption. All right. It isn't a secret that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled to gain steam in traditional brick-and-mortar retail outlets. That's true. In fact, per a recent article series from Vitalik Buterin founded Bitcoin magazine, use of digital assets in the real world was just as difficult 3 to 4 years ago than it is now. Yet Coinbase, the Silicon Valley's crypto and blockchain darling, has sought to change this. Well, that's according to Brian Armstrong, an Airbnb software developer turned Coinbase founder and diehard decentralist. Yeah, so a Coinbase founder, Coinbase owner. In a recent tweet, Armstrong, who quickly became crypto de facto's face of the Bay Area, showed his firm's unique efforts to testing physical, viable cryptocurrency products. All right, let's check this video out together. Takes a picture of it.
There it goes.
Yeah, there it goes.
All right.
Wow, that fast, eh? Well, I'm assuming if that was through the Coinbase, if that's through the Coinbase app, then yeah, it's probably going to be pretty fast. That was tweeted by Brian Armstrong. Pop-up donut shop accepting crypto at Coinbase today, doing more user testing important to improve usability. Okay. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. That's interesting that that was really fast. But if that was through the Coinbase app and it's going through their own servers, all that kind of stuff, then yeah. But it looks like they did do a QR code transaction. So if that was through the blockchain, then that's pretty good. That's pretty good. If that was through the Lightning Network or so. Okay, continuing on with the article, integration which likely utilized beta versions of Coinbase in-house wallet coupled with the merchant side offering accepted BTC, BCH, ETH, and Litecoin. The four mainstays throughout Coinbase broad roster of consumer, merchant, and institutional products. The example transaction stipulated in the video was completed in a mere 15 seconds, a rapid time likely aided by Bitcoin Cash's zero confirmation transaction protocol and the system often employed by merchants accepting the asset. Oh, that was Bitcoin Cash. Okay. BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so that wasn't BTC. Otherwise, that definitely would have taken longer. While the so-called pop-up donut shop had good premise, with Armstrong writing that his company was doing more user testing to improve usability. Yada, yada, yada. Armin van Bitcoin, a leading industry commentator, quipped that it's 2019. We had a database transaction. Okay, so this is just looks like somebody. Dude, it's 2019. We had database transactions just like the 70s. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna end it there, guys. But yeah, pretty interesting. I don't know what he's really trying to achieve with this. I mean, it's cool. It's cool that he's testing this kind of stuff. I wish it wasn't with Bitcoin Cash, but obviously we all wish it was something else. Good old Roger Ver and his coin, right? I swear that's still some sort of scheme or conspiracy. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down below. And please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.